Today I am going to unbox a Poopsie surprise. So, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get started.
Woo!
Let me do it.
So what's inside?
A Poopsie surprise, but we don't know because we haven't opened it, so we have to open it with you guys. Oh, I'm good at this. Who knew I'm great at opening Poopsie surprises? Oh, here it goes. The first thing is going off. Here we go. Glad that I'm taking off this part because I didn't know that I was great at this. I'm a genius. So we have to find the arrow. Have a look, guys. Here's the arrow. We'll peel off the arrow. Now we know where it needs to lead. Oh, here it goes. Oh, I see a surprise. Whoa, it's like a whole unicorn area.
Wow. Oh, look.
What?
Once you open it, they come out one by one. Can I be in the video and do the unboxing too?
Yeah, you can do. Yeah,
Look at how cute these are, Dad.
It has like a little kitty outfit.
Did they see the other video? It goes, Poopsie slime surprise. My poops, my poops, my poops. What you gonna do with all that poop? All that poop? Whoop, whoop.
Oh, I guess I was right. Oh, it's
Cute.
doesn't want to get out. There we go. This is a cup like you squeeze in her hole now. Ooh, she still uses underwear.
Adorable.
It's a cute little brush with like little pointy things. And it's a cloud brush with a little unicorn horn on for the little probably mouth. The mouth is up here.
Just a unicorn horn.
Yeah. Here's the underwear. Some unicorns still use an underwear, I guess. It's the keychain and it's let's go. But let's not bother about that. Now we're going to open it. Whoa! Mini Beauty.
What color is she?
She's purple. They probably know my favorite color.
Rotate the dial on the unicorn's back to the feeding position until it clicks into place. Did you hear a click?
It clicked.
No, let me see.
Click it.
I don't know which one the feeding position is.
The one with like the spoon and the cup?
And we have to rotate what?
It should just be pushed over to the spoon and the cup.
Toothbrushes go.
Her hair's so cute.
I would say that's probably over.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty cute, Jazz. Step 2. Tear open one packet of unicorn shimmer and pour it into the toilet bowl.
Now we're going to cut it open. Now we're going to pour it. Whoa. All of it?
Mm-hmm. Now pull it out. Does it come out? Ooh, it is magic. So it said feed.
Do a little
Use
bit
the
more
spoon
food.
to scoop up the unicorn shimmer. That's step 3. And step 4, insert the spoon fully into the unicorn's mouth and press it against the back of its throat to feed it. Repeat until the unicorn has been fed all of the unicorn shimmer.
Okay, Tracy.
Now you pour the water into the toilet bowl and feed it to the unicorn.
Start a little bit.
Okay.
That's all the water she was supposed to put?
Mm-hmm. It says step 5. Fill the measuring cup with water up to the lower fill line, 5 milliliters, and pour it into the toilet bowl. Use the spoon to feed the unicorn all 5 milliliters of tap water. Step 6. Place the toilet bowl in the toilet. Step 7. Twist off the lid from the bottle. Already done. Step 8. Open 1 packet of unicorn food.
Is that other cup supposed to be in there?
Can I keep it?
Not yet.
Do I pour it in the cup?
And pour it into the bottle. Yep. Step 9. Fill a measuring cup to the top fill line, 25 milliliters, with tap water.
Watch, grab the water.
Okay, the water cup's already filled. So now, step 10. Pour the tap water into the bottle, then tightly close the lid on the bottle. Pour quick, quick, quick. Step 12. Tilt the unicorn backwards and insert the straw fully into the unicorn's mouth. Squeeze the bottle until it's empty. So tilt the doll back. Pour it in quick, quick. And now squeeze until it's empty. You're feeding
Not
it.
all the way back. We're at an angle of mine. Yep.
While empty. Step 13. Push and rotate the dial on the unicorn's back to the rocking position until it clicks into place and marks are aligned. Rock the unicorn back and forth and upside down like a cartwheel for 15 seconds.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000.
Okay. Now, remove the unicorn's diaper. Oh no! She never had it on. Move the legs outward and place the unicorn on the toilet.
Outward.
Yep. Perfect. And place her on the toilet. Step 15. Press the heart belly button to see your unicorn poop.
Can I do it?
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's a little unicorn.
She's pooping.
Allow the slime to sit in the toilet bowl for 10 to 15 minutes or until the slime reaches the desired consistency. Then stir with a spoon to mix in any remaining water. So now
Tell them.
we wait.
Tell them.
Now we wait. Now we're going to see what she did. She scraped that off.
Yeah, is it stuck in her butt?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
See that?
You got it off?
I'm getting it.
You're touching unicorn poop. Ew. All right. Okay, get her out of the way. And now take your spoon and you stir the slime. It's not like a typical glitter. It's like a shimmer. Oh, is that what it's called?
Yeah. Whoa, that's some on there too. Now what do we do, Mom?
You can mix it in the slime with your hands.
It feels so good. Does it feel
Where'd
like
you put the extra? Oh, good, in the toilet bowl. Smart thinking.
in the
Okay.
toilet?
And now for a little sparkle.
You.
Do you need any more sparkle? Or is it pretty awesome?
It's pretty awesome.
Did you want to cut a little sparkle and put it in, or save it for next time?
Save it for next time.
Okay.
I want to make more.
Can you show the camera this unicorn poop?
The unicorn poop is actually slime, and you can play with it. It was so sticky.
How do you feel about playing with unicorn poop right now?
I'm not sure. I'll think of it later.
So if only you had somewhere to store your unicorn poop. Oh, you do. The keychain is actually designed to store the unicorn poop.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, wow. It stays in there?
Yeah. So it
And then
doesn't air dry out.
So it doesn't dry out?
Mm-hmm. So we can play with it every
Pretty
single
cool.
day. And we can play the same. You can replace the pie that you make again and again in here.
Very
So
cool.
like it mixed up to make it bigger.
Nice. All right, and now what nobody talks about in their YouTube videos is the cleaning process, because this little unicorn needs to be cleaned. So can we show them how to clean it?
Yeah.
All right. First step, fill the bottle with water, squeeze into unicorn's mouth with the unicorn on the toilet and the dial in the feeding position. So we need to turn the feeding position back. Set her on the toilet. Whoa.
Like that.
And then wash her out. Because it said otherwise your slime will harden inside her and you won't be able to use her next time. Did it get all of it out? You squeezed all the water out of this?
Yep.
Okay. Now take our toothbrush. And like everybody, right? We need to brush our teeth.
At the top, I think.
So brush all around. Yep. Turn it on the other side. Get the top, the bottom, the back teeth.
There's no teeth in her.
Oh, she doesn't have teeth?
No. She just left them out. Ah! We got stuck.
Let's try to get all the slime out. You got the roof of her mouth, her tongue.
I don't see a tongue in there. We probably need a flashlight.
You need a flashlight.
Flashlight to see the tongue.
Do you have a flashlight?
Mom's old flashlight.
Ooh, thanks to Papa.
Oh, it's blinking. Do you see it? I don't see anything red.
No slime?
I see a slime,
Oh, then keep brushing.
but I don't. Isn't it twice supposed to? I don't see a tongue there.
There's probably no tongue. I was just goofing off.
Slime bomb.
But did you see slime in there?
Yeah.
Oh, then you gotta keep brushing.
Just right here and down here.
Oh, okay, get to it. So what were you gonna do next? Oh, check the back. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
She's peeping more. She's peeping. Ah,
What a disaster. She still had so much more slime in her.
wow.
Why don't you go...
Oh no. She.
It was
Poor
a...
little
We did
girl.
think it was a small amount. She was all constipated. Here.
Poor little girl. She peed a little on the ground.
Hey, everyone has accidents, right? I think this is going to make more slime.
Video, look. This is how much slime was stuck. Ew, and then at the bottom it's so wet. Gooey. Ew, but the glitters. There's some glitter on
So
it.
that's kind of lame.
Yeah, it's okay, little girl. We'll clean this up.
Oh, wow.
What?
So then we have to clean in here. You see that? That's a lot of slime still.
Can I see?
Look. The cleaning process to this thing. It's kind of a bummer.
It's okay, little girl. Mommy will help you.
Ooh. See, look at all that slime. All that slime. All that slime.
What are you going to do with all that poop? Oh.
See, that was all stuck still in her back side.
It's okay,
It's like having a real baby.
Yeah. Just cleaning her up.
Cleaning her up. So, super cool product.
But really sneaky project.
But
Sneaky. Sneaky.
a lot of steps to make some slime when you can watch in Jasmine's other videos that she can make slime. Easy peasy. So,
You can make slime without a Poopsie surprise.
exactly. But the Poopsie surprise is super cute, but I think I just broke her butt. Hopefully not. The slime is everywhere in here, Jazz.
Good night.
See, look. It's all up in there.
Can I see?
Stuck.
Can I see, Mom? But maybe we shouldn't buy another one of these.
No, you wouldn't buy another one?
No. These are hard to clean out and hard to put in the case. I would never want to buy one of these again. I would just want to buy one. But only for my kids I would buy one. But only if it's not tricky
All right.
or complicated or on a movie. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe down below. Bye.
There's a gremlin.
What are you doing, Dad? Right here. Guys, now we're going to open it. Nothing's in there.
Where'd it go?
Now we're going to open it.
Oh! Let's do it. Wait. Let's do it again.
We do.
Hold on. Close your eyes.
You're gonna have to do that in post-production.
It got like
Oh, I didn't get to record it.
It's going.
What?
You wasn't going none of that?